Guys, when I tell you that this headband is gigantic, believe me, this headband is a statement. Let's dive to the DIY. Let's go!
Hello guys, my name is Aigbe, and the purpose of this channel is to make DIY easy for you, and I will go above and beyond to make it worth it for you. So subscribe and on the notification bell. In this tutorial, we are going to be making a statement headband, and I'm going to be showing you how to make it very easy and very beautiful. So let's dive to the DIY. This fabric for the tube is 31 by 8 inches, and I cut 3 pieces of this. I cut this one is to pass your elastic through, and this 19 inches by 4 inches, and the elastic is 9 inches by 1.5 inches. So you need this winter coat fabric. I call it winter coat fabric because I don't really know the name, so I cut 3 of this. I get this fabric from our weekly market. I live in Italy, so I get this fabric from our weekly market. It's very cheap. Like this, I got it for 3 euros, I think, and I've used it for other projects too, and I still got this 3 from it. You see, I cut this one 28 by 28 inches. After ironing it, I will take it to the machine to sew. I will sew from this place to this place. Just sew the 3 like that. Then I will sew this one to pass the elastic through. So I will wrap this material. So I will wrap it like this. Roll it. Roll or wrap. I will roll it like this. Then pin it. This material is very light. It's not heavy. It's very light. So I'll pin this place like this. Then I will use hot gum to gum it down. Press it. After rolling it like this, then I will now pass it through the tube. Then I will still take my loop turner, put it inside. Then I'll use it to draw it out. Before I weave it, I will take it to the machine to sew. I'll put these 3 together like this. Then I will take it to the machine to sew, to secure this side before I start to weave it. Then I will now start to weave it. This is really big. You see, after weaving it, I will take this side to the machine again to sew it together. You see, I'll put this on top of this. Then I'll put this under this. This is my elastic. Then I will put it on top. This is the front. Then I'll bend it towards it like this, you see. Then I'll take this, I'll bend it towards it like this. Then I will secure it with pin. Then I will do the same thing to this side. Fold this towards this. Then I will pin it to secure it. Then I will take it to the machine to sew. Then I will turn it.